decided to take the Instructional Skills Workshop because of the intensity that it offered. It would give me an opportunity to work on my teaching practice and get instruction to do so. I've been teaching since 2012, but of course a professor's job involves research, teaching, and service, and teaching was the element of my job that I felt the least trained to do. When it came to teaching, I felt like, other than preparing for a conference presentation, I had very few solid skills. The students are more comfortable with each other. There's definitely more of a spirit of conviviality and a sense of community in my classroom. Students are more likely to come up to me afterwards. I really emphasize that it feels more like a learning community.
Professor Kennedy definitely uses a much more interactive approach. We always have a significant portion of lecture periods devoted to either brainstorming or doing research, or even like splitting up and drawing out our thought processes. And I also really appreciate that she always comes around during the interactive sessions and gives feedback and like prompts our ideas. And so if you're kind of feeling stuck within your group, she really comes through and like makes sure that you guys have some momentum, and then it can really get the conversation going.
So I really left the ISW, first of all, being more confident in my skills as a teacher, but then also having this solid skill set.